familiar and tied to who we once were.
But there comes
a moment when a woman looks in the mirror and realizes she is ready for something new. Not to erase the past, but to honor the woman she has become. Haircut transformations for women over 60 are never just about style. They are about freedom. A long to short haircut can feel emotional, even overwhelming, because it represents change. The moment the scissors begin to move, there is hesitation and
excitement.
Sometimes fear, but there is also anticipation for renewal. Before and after hair transformations show us something beautiful. In the before, we often see hair that no longer reflects the energy inside. In the after, we see lightness, confidence, and clarity. A stunning hair makeover can instantly lift the face, highlight natural features, and bring out a strength that was always there. Hair tutorials and haircut tutorials are not only about technique. They are about understanding the woman in the chair. The best haircuts for ladies over 60 are designed with lifestyle, comfort, and personality in mind. Shorter styles are easier to maintain, feel lighter, and often bring a youthful softness without trying to look young. New haircut ideas for women over 60 focus on movement, shape, and elegance. Layers add volume where it's needed. Clean lines create structure. Soft textures keep the look modern and fresh. These hairstyles celebrate maturity instead of hiding it. A beauty transformation is powerful because it changes how a woman carries herself. After a haircut transformation, posture improves, smiles become brighter, and confidence feels renewed. It's not about following trends. It's about choosing what feels right now. Hair before and after moments often bring emotional reactions. Some women laugh, some cry, and some simply sit absorbing quietly. The change. These reactions are honest and real. They show how deeply personal hair can be, especially after decades of wearing it one way. New hair ideas give women permission to let go of outdated expectations. Beauty does not end at a certain age. In fact, beauty often becomes more refined, more authentic, and more powerful. Short hairstyles can feel liberating, practical, and incredibly elegant. At Pixie Look, we believe every woman deserves to feel seen, respected, and beautiful at every stage of life. Hair transformations are not about becoming someone else. They are about revealing the best version of who you already are. If you are a woman over 60 considering a change, remember this: your hair should support your life. Not limit it. A new haircut can be the beginning of a fresh chapter, filled with confidence, ease, and self-expression. Thank you for watching Pixie Look, where every haircut tells a story, and every transformation proves that beauty has no age limit.